The following words all show how the da and da sounds express a physical form of work. Dadi, Hindi, hard work, labor. Avodah, Hebrew, physical work, job, task. Mudad, Arabic, to work, extend effort. Daba, Swahili, to work, execute a task. Shanda, Shona, to work, to put forth effort. Handarbeit, German, manual work. Dagang, Malay, to trade, labor and business. Dàodì, Chinese, to accomplish a task, reach completion. Dakat, Mapudungun, Chile, to do work, labor. Yandara, Aboriginal Australia, working or coming together, group effort.